A friend of mine recently sent me a video where someone was welding with a piece of ABS filaments, like this guy. And I just happened to have the occasion to try it out. So I'm cutting my filament to roughly 2 centimeter length. And a little piece of aluminum tubing here that I'm made a crimp in it so the ABS can't go in all the way. Just push it in here. I'm just going to cut it a bit further so it's not so long. It's roughly this length. I got my lovely handy Dremel here. You don't want to keep it too long so it doesn't, as it's turning super fast, it's going to want to fly out. So you don't want that. And I have 2 pieces of printed material here that actually I've already welded together, you can see here. I'm just going to finish off that weld. Here we go. Pretty good. Sand this down, but it's a bit flexible because this big joint here, but definitely beats hot glue gun to put things together. I can say that much. Success.